All right, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Loose bolt here, loose bolt here. All the wetness here we're gonna capture. Got a dribble of oil there. Mention the oil pan. Adapter for oil filter leaking. For simple ease of access, the front differential will need to be removed in order to remove the oil pan. I may have to turn the steering wheel a little to the left. Get it from up underneath the vehicle. All right. Yeah. Once you get it out, it'll be like awesome if one of my subscribers was to show up and help me right now. Once you get it out, you set it. You set it down. Don't drop it. Bitch is expensive. Wham! 8 minutes, 40 seconds. Okay, I hope this is a good view. We got some Permatech here at the corners right here. Haven't been on the full 20 minutes, so we're still within our window of opportunity. So you're gonna apply the gasket here first, all right, and make sure that it is in place, okay. Then once you have this set and in place on the block, probably gonna move, so you're gonna have to be gentle, all right? Probably gonna use some Permatech, to be honest with you. Then you take this, set this here. Time being, put your gasket back up in place. This is how I'm gonna do this, ladies and gentlemen. If it hits me in the head, I'm gonna be pissed. Alright. What we're gonna do is, alright, we're gonna use one of these screws up here. That one that was originally loose. We're gonna run that one through the access hole, through the gasket, and into the block, all right, like this here. how we're gonna keep this in place. All right, we found it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna find one on the exact opposite side, and we're gonna push this closer towards the engine. All right, and use the tool so you don't separate it before it's time. And all right, what you're gonna do is use another bolt as a placeholder. I'm gonna go here. Make sure you can sight all your holes. Alright, that's flush. Don't want to spend much time with this. Go ahead and start getting some bolts in. Make sure you're not overlooking any of the holes. All right. Okay, once you get the 12 bolts hand started, it's up to you if you want to go back with an automated tool to speed up the process. We will, and we will do that. Don't need a transmission line to leak here. So we're going to use our 12 millimeter socket on a 12 millimeter bolt. And just to run them down snugly, start here in the center. Just to touch the plate. Run it down the circular rotation until it starts to touch. Alright, and make sure that you are flush on this block here. Let me sure I'm not too pressed. flat right here as flat as possible. All right. Then once you get that done, we're gonna start and make sure we're gonna have good swing room with the torque wrench, and we're on 18 foot-pounds. Anybody questioning where 18 foot-pounds is? 18 foot-pounds is, I don't know if you're gonna be able to get a good shot there, but it's here. We're gonna start with this bolt, make sure they're all the way in. 18 foot-pounds is here. Make sure the tool doesn't drop in your face. Didn't run it down as much as I thought I did, but that's no sweat. You're listening for a click if you use the click style torque wrench. Alright, and that's that on that one. That's it. We're gonna mark it there. We're gonna go over to this next one here. And I didn't look up any routine pattern. I'm just going off fundamental. Okay, that was a nice click on that one. Alright. Then I'm gonna go wide here. Go to this one here. Alright, that was good. And I'm gonna go up here. This one here. Alright. That one there. Come here. This one here. Alright. Go here. And that was a click you didn't hear because it hit the tool right there. But it did click. I'm gonna do it just one more time. I don't want to be in the wrong here, but it clicked. Alright, then I'm gonna come over here to this one here. Alright, that click there. Alright, so then come to this one. That click there. Alright. This one next. I mean this one here. Alright. That one's next. Alright, so then we got those three at the top. And why you got these? That one's here at the top. Alright. You don't really get a lot of leaks from the top of the rear main seal. You get a lot of leaks from the bottom. Mainly because of gravity. Alright, click again to stop at the tool. You can go ahead and pull the tool out now. Just did it in the first place, so I wouldn't be in the fan, but I was actually getting my clicks in. So I was getting my stroke. Alright. That one was actually pretty snug. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take a quick wrench, a hand tool to just go behind and make sure that nothing was malfunctioning with the tool. And you also want to check your tolerance here, but you're looking good. Seen a few people measure it here, but you know, we pretty much use the tool to get proper clearance. As long as this tool is correctly round, we should be well within our specifications. Alright? And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 bolts, 12 millimeter fasteners. 12 minutes. Okay. This is the back of the motor prior to the seal being installed. And you see this tab here? And this tab here. You see how that sets right up on the crank? That's another point in case of why this back plate needs to be perfectly aligned. The tolerance here is really tight. There's not a lot of room for any play left or right, up or down. You see that? See that gap right there? That's another reason why you really want to use that tool, so you're able to be precise. And I mean, that's a very narrow space right there. After the rear plate is mounted to the rear of the engine, install the rear main seal to the rear of the crank. Using the alignment tool and a hammer, softly tap the seal into place. For more videos pertaining to this repair, tune in to our channel, Encore Automotive, Diagnostics and Repair. Thank you.